Hi there, if you want an app drawer button like mine on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, then here's how to do it. First, you just need to go to settings. Now scroll down and you will find home screen section where you just need to find out the show app screen button on home screen. Just simply tap on this toggle button to turn on this app screen, this app drawer button on your home screen. You just need to make sure that this option is turned on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Then this will help you to access the app section where you will find all the apps that you have on your system. You just need to tap once on this icon and it will take you to the app section. That's how you can just set up or turn on this app drawer button on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. It's pretty much simple. Hope you like this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.